Oh my god, look what we have here. What's up everyone, today is a very special video. Behind me is Eric's MK4 Supra, the two-step king, and let's see what we got here. All right, so Eric, tell me about the car, what mods there are, and you know, why did you get this car?
I got this car because it was a dream car for me to get. So when I got it, it was stock twins, everything was stock. The only thing modified was pretty much like the cooler, that's it. But then I decided to just build the whole engine. I did a whole T56 6-speed swap, the whole block, the whole head, everything, everything inside and outside. Just spent my whole time there. And now it's built, and now you guys can hear the two-step and all that.
Yeah, this is like one of the loudest Supras out there. And look at this turbo right here, it's huge. Do you know how much horsepower you make?
I'm doing probably like 800, 900 at top. You know, the engine's built for over 1,000 horsepower. I'm probably doing like 1,000 at the crank and maybe 800, 900 at the wheel.
Wow, that's amazing. And look at how clean this engine bay is. Just, you know, if you guys know Supras, this is a super clean car. And it's a car, if you know, you know. And one thing about this car is it's a limited edition 15th anniversary Supra. And it's a Targa as well. And the most important thing, it's a manual right there. I always have a soft heart for manual cars. So Eric, tell me what it's like to drive this car. Like how fun is it? Like what's the attention you get for driving this car?
It's a lot of fun, Like I swear, if it was up to me, if I wasn't living here in California, the only thing I'd be shifting first, second, third, fourth gear all the time, because this car is loud from second to third, third to second, second, third, fourth. That's like the most beautiful, where you hear the turbo spool, you hear that loud exhaust, you just hear like the whole attention just coming. It's just a wonderful ride. It's just an enjoyment, you know.
Yeah.
I love it. I just love the sound, like the way it looks, the black color. Oh, that definitely, like you say, it's a 97 15th anniversary limited edition with the gold emblems and gold badges. So it makes it very special for me.
Yeah, definitely. And if you guys watch like Fast and Furious, like these cars just became super famous, and people compare these to like the R34 Skylines and the RX-7s. So yeah, this is one of the legendary cars, the JDM scene. All right, so let's hear the car and let's do some flybys, some two steps. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, and make sure to follow him on Instagram, supra.eric. we're getting into the Supra, and that's isn't it from the inside. Are you running E85?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I can smell it.
Yeah.
That turbo's full.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, this car is way scarier than mine. Wow, wow, that kick.
You feel when the rolling into that kicks.
Yeah. Wow, it's just amazing. I have no words. Wow. Thank you so much. And that's how loud the two-step is on that MK4 Supra. That is ridiculous. Look how far the car is. Oh my god, we got people running all the way to here.
This is crazy.
Just for the Supra.
Hell no, I'm gonna lose.
This is crazy.
So do you have to press on the button for the anti-lag?
Yeah, because it's set at certain RPM for it to kick and hold the whole boost and boom, kick in.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
so
So it has a button for the rolling anti-lag and has a button for the two-step.
oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Exactly like that. Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
You just don't have like 16 gears.
No.
If you
Well,
let
the
go.
rolling anti-lag is just going first.
Mm-hmm.
You could go first, second, third gear, and then second gear, you press the gas, and it's going, and then when you hit after 5,000 RPM, you press it, and then boom, that's it.
And that's how you win the race.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's how Paul Walker wins the race at the
Yeah.
the train, right?
You smoke everyone.
Yeah.
We actually got a train track right there.
I know, right? The train and the truck.
Yeah. Yeah, but they filmed that in Long Beach, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.